Work in progress.
Sì.
More work. Allora, Pierre?
Joists, hangers, hanging the joists. Huh?
Tell me more.
These are called joists, and these are called joist hangers. And they're used to make floors. So now we are making the floor of the bathroom. It's going to be nice and strong. Like this.
Wow.
I didn't even screw them all in yet, so I shouldn't be doing this. I only put 2 screws. There's going to be like 10 screws in each one. I'm using stainless steel screws. Usually this is done with nails because nails have better shear strength, but I saw a lot of people also using stainless steel screws, which are strong and will resist the shear. So
amazing.
that's
Very nice work.
Thank you.
Professional.
How do you know?
I can see
What's professional?
from the look.
And we'll call that good for today. And tomorrow I can put more screws.
Also, I can see all the rocks on the floor.
Ah, yeah. That was a lot of work too. Yes, indeed. Work, work, work.
Work in progress.
It's nice to see some progress finally after many weeks of not moving forward. In 2 days, boom, 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 boom. We did a lot of progress.
You did. I am only the video maker.
Playing with the plumbing. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Use the laser level to make sure the floor is perfectly level, flat and straight. You're gonna like it when it's finished.
Wow.
I hope.
For sure. Work in progress. Keep in touch. Bye.